Mudah yun ya. Mga ano ko na pala sa'yo. Dahil na tayo muna tayo.
Sino plagas dahil?
Oo. Dahil muna.
Kasi yun dahil ko Netflix.
He's showing a banana.
Mm-hmm.
Happy Father's Day.
Buka damo ba?
Ang gift ni Bria, di pa kanina di ako, wala pang panghimos.
Wow! Damo ba? Thank you, thank
I
you.
should have given you cash, but we went to Walmart. So,
Okay.
we bought.
Oh, where's my circle bottle?
Di uman kailangan ang
My
cash.
circle bottle.
I have to ask your parents.
Gani. Uy, ako kay Kuya, pag Mother's Day, may 500 from you. Kaya Kuya, wala.
Ay, kanami.
No RTs.
Ay,
Ayan
sus!
ka.
Kanami ba?
Ha? Namian ka?
Nami kolor yan.
Ano ba lang yung presyo? Yeah. Ano ba yung presyo tayo?
Nami, no?
Oo.
Oo.
So, I went to the store before I went to work, and instead of buying you, I also bought one for Louis.
Oh, thank you.
Brio.
Now you can match with your dad.
I think I bought more stuff for Louis rather than you.
Aray ko. Ano naman?
Then I bought also for
Oh, it's a picture. I thought you could reverse it.
Robin and the Jamie. Okay.
Perfect. Perfect.
How did that even happen, my goodness?
Here you go.
Oh no.
They're all frozen.
May din itong circle ko na batilya.
Ha?
Ang circle ko na batilya din ito. Ang circle ko na batilya. Wala na yun baka. Ang 20 din ito.
Tayo, te.
Nami, no?
Mame.
Oo.
Nice.
Kaplano ko mo-order na siya.
Ah, there it is.
Gina-orderan
Ayan
ko.
pala.
Sa gina-orderan ko.
Thank you.
Ano,
grab.
no?
Te.
Ay,
Sa kolsa.
no.
Kami tayo ang tapos yung chak toget, ha? Kita mo lang tayo, imbes nga ang presyo yung bala.
Oo, gani.
Ano, gin...
Okay, no?
Ano na yan? Sabi ko, okay, sale nila. Very nice.
I have the coffee flavor.
Oh,
I think it's gonna be gross.
One also for Louis.
Thank you.
Magsala ko na maglaba ha.
Iba talaga alam mo, Chito, ang mo, para ang wala nga lang Chito.
You're gonna match with your dad again.
Mhm.
Ay, sila.
Oh,
Oh, free ha.
I'm literally gonna match.
He has also one,
Got
you
it.
have also one bill, right?
Yeah, it's in my closet.
Where is it?
Sino siya ganit ba?
Jackie.
Si Chucky.
Jackie, ah.
I love Chucky. Chucky cheese.
Hot Chuck E. Cheese pizza is really good.
I haven't been in Chuck E. Cheese in forever.
Maybe it's just really good because we're like super tired from playing.
Maybe.
Sama ko yun.
Ay, aba.
Tayo?
Right?
Right.
See, we're actually matching.
Ay, aba. Ang Beatles ano na bilo?
Oh, nawala.
Like Star Wars.
May anak ko lang si ano.
The Star Wars Beatles shirts.
Alien ang
Nice.
Beatles.
They went to Abbey Road. Mayo ni siya yata kay hindi man bisan balason kaniya hindi ni siya magmarka ang gamarka ang light gray color ini yan di yan.
Bisan wala man niya ako niya gano bisan ano.
Oo. Wala mi ang color bla.
Okay, thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cute ito. Ang ano Star Wars ang
Hindi
kanto.
nang gatiil na wala sila kwan.
Abbey Road. Bitaw Abbey.
Wala sila gatiil. Nagano sila.
Gano sa kabots.
Dapat gatiil.
Star Wars went to Abbey Road.
Sino nang una-una gid si
London.
Darth Vader.
Sino una-una gid si Polen. Si John McCartney.
Buang gida.
Si Polen nun kasi John McCartney.
Si Paula nante.
Okay,
Happy
thank you.
Father's
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you, guys.
Bukakamuta mo sa araw.
Happy Father's Day.
Smells so good. Hey.
Okay.
Happy Father's Day also, Jamie.
Lagi ng besto. None.
Wow, te. Belang ba kung kinsil mo?
Oh.
Lagi.